In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make rotate slopes in Geometry Dash. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the level that you want to add it. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Let's then add a simple shape. And then basically you then want to add your trigger. It's going to be the rotate trigger. In my case, I'll place it where my character will then trigger it. Now, you then want to head back to your shape, and then you want to click on the Edit Group option. Click on Add Group. Now this is going to be Group ID 1. From there, let's head back to the Rotate option, and then in here, click Edit Group. You then want to select the target group ID. Of course, it's going to be 1. Same thing with the center group ID. From here, you then want to edit out the move time. Same with the X360. And then if you click on the OK button and hit on the play, we can then see that we have successfully made the rotate slope in Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.